Are you looking for the best leveling kit for Silverado? In this video, we will break down the top 6 leveling kits for Silverado on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, Rough Country 1307. This leveling kit is ideal for 07-18 Chevy Silverado models. It has molded, innovative and spacer design that makes it perfect to use for any Silverado 1500 truck. With a 2 inches leveling kit, you can quickly level the front and rear of the tires of your vehicle. Also, lifting the front end will give your truck a great style and look, and one of the best ways to do this is with this leveling kit. It is also the best kit for the right blend of improved on- and off-road performance and style. You can save the most installation time by lifting the front of your truck with the back of it because you don't have to remove the struts of your vehicle at all for your assembly. As well, it contains a 100% bolt-on assembly process. In 2 to 3 hours, you can finish the installation process. The only downside of this kit is it lets your vehicle bounce a lot on rough terrain. Besides, it comes with a low packaging system. Finally, it is backed by a lifetime replacement warranty for your satisfaction. At number 2, Maxracing. This product is ideal to use with a wide range of vehicles including Chevrolet Avalanche, Chevrolet Silverado, Chevrolet Suburban, GMC Sierra, and more. With the purchase, users will receive all of the necessary items for leveling, which include front lower strut extension, spacers, bolts, washers, and nuts. Also, during the installation process, users will be guided through an included instruction which makes it quick and easy. Other than that, you will receive greater ground clearance when the front part is higher. It improves the look of your vehicle and increases ground clearance, will raise the front of your truck by a true 2 inches, levels the front with the rear of the vehicle. Besides, there is no need to disassemble your struts to install because 100% simple bolt-on installation works with all OEM control arms. At number 3, Motofab Lift CH2LM. This spacer kit is made to add 3 inches of lift at the front and a solid 2 inches at the rear. This is the strongest kit on the market and comes with front spacers and rear spacers. Both sets come with a black powder coat finish to match the factory suspension. Also, the installation, which should take about 2 to 3 hours, doesn't require you to disassemble the coil. The kit comes with all the instructions and necessary hardware. The kit is backed by a lifetime warranty. Although the assembly takes slightly longer than the basic kits out there, the results are bigger as well. Moreover, the build quality is top-notch, it opens up space so you can install larger tires, and the overall stance isn't just leveled but also more aggressive as well. You'll need to get the truck aligned after the installation. Otherwise, it might end up adding extra stress on parts and tires. At number 4, Motofab Lift CH25F2R. This kit is CNC machined out of billet aluminum then powder-coated black to match your factory suspension. This is the strongest kit on the market and comes to you complete with all the hardware and instructions. Also, it can be installed in about 1 to 2 hours and does not require strut or coil disassembly like other kits. For the rear, the kit comes with new fabricated rear lift blocks and longer U-bolts. Fabricated lift blocks will outlast cast iron and will far outlast solid aluminum rear lift blocks. The rear lift blocks are also powder-coated for a long-lasting finish. As well, it fits 2007 to 2018 Chevrolet and GM 1500 pickups and will raise your truck 2.5 inches in the front and 2 inches in the rear. Finally, it comes with a lifetime warranty for your satisfaction. At number 5, Eccpp 110439 5211 0938002461. This leveling lift kit is highly effective and efficient. This kit is a rugged and durable kit that still brings out the beauty of your tires. The kit also helps preserve the OEM ride quality of your vehicle, making it a lot of people's preferred choices. Also, it is a heavy-duty leveling kit that fits the 2007 to 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500. This leveling kit functions as a leveling kit for Ford, Toyota, Chevy, Nissan, GMC, Jeep, etc. When it comes to the installation of this lift kit, it is quite straightforward with all the essential tools available. It is easy and fast to install this lift kit with its premium-grade bolt lugs. This kit also uses 10.9 or 12.9 grade lug nuts with lock washers. Lastly, there is a 1-year warranty on this leveling kit. At number 6. KSP Performance 22LF8101. This is an incredible front-wheel leveling unit for your Silverado 1500. This 3 inches leveler gives a perfect fit for the Chevy Silverado pickup truck. When it comes to safety concerns, you will find this kit a standalone unit compared to others out there. With its aircraft-grade aluminum construction, you will enjoy a safe drive even in extreme riding situations. Also, the 12.9 grade bolts and decent thread pitches ensure durability and make them corrosion-free. It is effortless to install a leveling kit out there which comes with complete assembly instruction. Furthermore, it gives the tires an aggressive expression and a better look. It can lift the front wheel to 3 inches which ensures a secure journey. After all, it offers a 30-day refund, lifetime warranty service for your satisfaction.